Well, there we go. Investment of the day. Now, we have a holding in Bidvest.
Correct. Very small, though.
We do have a small holding in Bidvest. We have a holding in
PSG and Brait.
Do we?
We do.
Are you sure?
I did. I've reminded myself we do.
So
Remember that spell where we had a bit more cash? We discussed the whole new look thing and we liked the new deals and so on. So we do have a nice little stake of a similar rand value, in fact, to the stake in PSG as well as the stake that we have.
We like these investment holding companies, Lance, in our hot stocks portfolio.
Yeah, as we said earlier, you're backing really talented deal makers in South Africa, and they've delivered. And it gives you a nice diversified portfolio. So a lot of risk taken out of the investment. No one single sector or company that you're betting on, and been very, very successful. So they are generally good investments.
Now look, we do have a little bit of money left, and I've been wondering for a while whether we wouldn't get a chance to beef up the Bidvest position, because remember we bought them that day, then we discovered we had like 700 rand left in the account. So we could take our remaining monies and buy a proper position in Bidvest. Then we would have, solid Bidvest exposure, and the other ones would still be there. That probably makes sense, although I'm just waving the flag that what that means is that we will once again be cashless, fully all in.
If you were facing that problem, take your last monies, as Paul puts it, and put it up our stake in Bidvest, or leave the portfolio as is with a somewhat subdued position in Bidvest, and keep the cash for additional opportunities. What would you do, Lance?
I would keep the cash.
You're keeping the cash?
We're in for a rocky ride, unfortunately. Today is up strongly. But there's a lot of things going on in the world, and it's tenuous what's happening, and I think there is further pain to come, unfortunately.
I'm with Lance on this. Let's keep the cash. Let's keep the cash.
No, man. Look, you've got to be buying when, all those lines about how you've got to be the one buying when there's blood on the streets.
Bidvest, there's no blood on Bidvest share price right now. Not enough significant blood. Sorry, Brian Joffe. Yeah. We're not asking for it to go lower. But
I'm not entirely sure whether Bidvest has pulled back to a great degree or not. I would expect it has, and it's been bouncing around with the rest of the market. But
look, it's your portfolio. We've given you our views.
I'm inclined to be brave and put our necks out, because it never feels like the exactly right moment to pounce, and there isn't anything else that we've been thinking we need to own. And I'm not entirely accurate when I say we've got nothing that we can do, because what I've noticed over time is you can sort of make portfolio tweaks and changes, like the City Lodge, Sun International switch. We do have a couple of secondary holdings that we haven't talked about for a while, like Impact and Met and all those others.
That's fine. Take your cash and spend it.
Put it into Bidvest.
Put it into Bidvest. Brian Joffe, big endorsement for you.